How to use long on margin trading on Binance easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can do margin trading and long on Binance. So let's get into it. Now, first off, you need to create your Binance account, which is a simple process where you just have to create your account by your phone number or verify it via your phone number and create it via your email address. And it's a very simple setup. Once you have your account verified and you have verified your phone number, you can begin with the spot trading over here on Binance. So you can see this is the actual trading platform, and I have opened up the BTC/USDT, which is the Bitcoin price, and you can see it is currently at around $20,819. So you can see this is the trading graph over here. Now, you might be wondering before we get into this, what does longing a crypto trade actually means? Well, for that, what it actually means is that if you expect the price of a token to rise, then what you're going to do is you're going to borrow money to purchase this or at this price over here if you're expecting the price to go up. So what I would do is that if I'm expecting the price to rise to 21,000 from 20,000, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down over here. So I'm just going to scroll down and you will see these three options. So you have spot, cross 3x, and isolated 10x. What we're going to do is margin trading is basically spot trading in a way, but in terms of futures. So what you're going to do is you're going to select either cross 3x or you're going to select isolated 10x. That is up to you. Isolated 10x gives you the potential to get more leverage with more growth. You're going to have a lot more margins to be able to deal with, but cross 3x is also another option. So what you're going to do is first off, you're going to click on transfer over here on your top right, and you're going to use your spot account, your spotting account, and transfer it to your margins. So whatever is the coin or amount, you're going to transfer it over here. So the current price is at 20,000. You would transfer 20,000 into your margin trading account, and then what you would do is you would begin buying your BTC. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on borrow, and then you're going to add the price or add the BTC price that you want to buy or borrow the BTC. So let's say you want to borrow the BTC at this amount and you want to borrow one BTC, which would be 20,847 USDT. And once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on borrow, and then you're going to click on sell. So then on the sell BTC section, what you're going to do is you're going to add sell 100%. You're going to increase this, and you're going to enter the amount of BTC, which is going to be 1, and then you're going to enter the amount of money. So when BTC hits maybe 21,000. So when BTC hits 21,000, you want to sell 1 BTC. Now, what you can also do is you can click on repay over here instead of doing a normal change back. You're going to click on repay, and then you can repay the 1 BTC or 20,000 that you initially got, and then let the remaining money stay over there as well. And that will enable you to wait for a higher price for BTC to sell it for personal profits. Now, there is another thing that you need to keep in mind, which is risk management. So for that, you're going to go into stop limit, and then within the stop limit section, you have a drop down menu, and you have OCO, which is basically the one cancels the other. So for example, like you are expecting the price of BTC to go up. So the current price is 20,000 something, and you expected it to go to 21,000. But what if the market crashes? What if the price of BTC suddenly starts going down to 18,000 or 9,000, or it's going down instead of going up? That is totally dependent on the market. You never know what's going to happen in the market. So you might be concerned that, hey, I just bought BTC and I borrowed the money. What am I going to do now if I just put your initial collateral and you don't want to lose that money? So how do you actually manage your risks in that way? Well, for that, you're going to select the OCO option, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on repay over here on the right side in the sell BTC section, and then you're going to enter the price. So the current price is at around 20,800 and something, and what you're going to do is you're going to select, for example, I'm selecting 19,000. So at the price of 19,000, you're going to enter stop, and then I'm going to enter the stopping price at 19,500, and then I want to limit it to this money, and then I'm going to enter the amount of BTC I want to trade. So I would do the entire 2 BTC or 3 BTC, however many BTC you have to enter, and you're going to click on sell BTC. So in these situations, situation where the market actually crashes, where it's not in your favor to be able to hold the stock for a longer term, then you're going to sell your money in the initial falling stage of the BTC, because you don't want to be someone that is holding on to BTC when the market is going down to 18,000 or 16,000 when you were the one that borrowed the initial transfer money as well. Now, you can apply the same exact technique on an isolated 10x trade as well. That is totally up to you. So you can also do that as well. You have the same limiting market OCOs and stop limits available on the isolated 10x as well, but the cross 3x gives you less risks, while the isolated 10x obviously has high profitability with high risks as well. And you also have trading pairs available on your margins in a isolated 10x. So that is how simple and easy it is to do a long margin trade on Binance. You can do it on any other platform as well, and you can apply this technique to any other trading platform that you might want. Now, if we take a look at Binance, it is a very simple and easy to use platform. That is why it is so popular. So you can get started with Binance right away by simply creating your account and entering money into your fiat or spot account, and you can click on your account settings over here to deposit your money in your Binance account. So you can see if you currently don't have any money, you can click on deposit over here, and you can select your currency, how you want to add it, and then you can use a bank transfer, Swift, you can use credit or debit cards. Then you can also do P2P trading or third-party applications as well for inputting or depositing your money into your Binance account. Now, if you go back onto Binance over here, you can go back onto your spot trading over here, and you can also do a short-term trade with these kinds of stock options as well. If you're looking for a short-term gain, you can go with a smaller coin. So on your top right, you can search for a different coin such as DOT. So you can go down into Polkadot, like a token that is priced for less, so not a super non-expensive token, and you can do short-term trades on a smaller token or even long margin trades on a smaller token like this, so you're better able to do it on a larger token in a more efficient and easy way. So you have some experience and you know what you are doing when you're actually going to do it on your actual large money trade. So that is how simple and easy it is to do long margin trades on Binance. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.